Mickey, have a good day. Smile for the picture, okay? All right. Oh, Jojo will come.
No.
Okay, go, go, go. Go on. Go up, Mickey. Go up. Morning. Bye, Mickey. Good morning, Mickey.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
You just waking up?
Yeah.
Okay. Guess what? It's picture day today at school. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay, let's get dressed. Gonna brush your teeth. You love it? Yeah.
Why did you first? It's great.
Mm-hmm.
No nonsense. It's candy.
You're gonna put your toothpaste on?
Whoa!
Your toothpaste smelled, Mickey?
Yeah.
Can you do your tongue? Perfect. Let's see your face now if it's all clean. Can you see your face? Teeth? Perfect. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today is Michaela's first picture day at school. So we are going to have breakfast now and get dressed. So you're gonna get an 2 eggs? Okay. Good job.
The chicken egg.
You didn't close the fridge door. Okay. Just squish it open. Good. Here, put it here.
Ew.
Yeah.
It gets the
Here, you can wipe your hand in that. Whoops. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of black pepper for you, okay? Not too much.
Not too much for me.
And a little bit of salt.
Look at stuff. And
That's
milk.
good. You gonna put milk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oopsie.
Okay, that's good. Okay, all right. So we had a little bit too much milk, so we had to take out some of the egg. All right, now we're gonna pour it in, okay?
I can put it in my myself.
No, let mommy pour it in, right? Because it's safer. Watch mommy pour it in, okay? There. So now we're gonna make a hard pancake. So we're gonna put it in, and then yeah, press down. Good. Open.
Can't get it open.
Okay, let's see if our heart came out.
Open it.
Okay. Good.
This is good because ew, pancake.
This is perfect, Mickey. Okay, I'm gonna put some syrup on your pancake.
Yay!
That's it.
As long as huggy.
Okay. Gonna eat your breakfast now?
Yeah.
All right. Mickey's almost ready. We got this outfit from Shein. Come, let's put on. Sorry. All right, push your hand through. Good job. Oh, Mickey, I love your outfit already. It's so cute. We're gonna button this one up, okay? So you look so nice for your picture. Wow. Now we have to get some bow for your hair, Mickey. Let's put some mousse.
I look like a dinosaur.
Okay, Mickey, hair looking beautiful. Oh, yes, Mickey. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, turn around. Let's see your outfit. Wee, yeah, Mickey.
Chum wants to do it too.
Chum Chum, it's not your time, Chum Chum. All right, Jozo, you're next. Come, let me fix you up. Chum Chum. Where did Jojo put this pie for Chum?
Yeah, I did. I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Joe, come. Careful with her.
I can't.
Chum Chum. This way. I finished yours. Uh-oh. Chum Chum.
Chum Chum.
Turn around this.
I'm gonna watch Chum Chum in the back.
And do it.
Watch Chum Chum in the back.
It's gonna be better.
What?
Open it. All set. Let me see you, Mickey. You're all my big baby. Okay, so Michaela lunch is all set here. She has her sandwich, some snacks. I give her 2 snacks, 2 fruits, yogurt drink, and juice box. I'm just gonna close these up. And just like that, lunch is ready. It's so cold outside, so you have to zip up your jacket, okay? Good. Blessed. Can we have this one? It's for Vicky. Okay, Vicky, put on your. Are you gonna wear a hat today, Joe? Put them on, Mickey. Put them on. Huh? You gotta wear a hat? Okay.
It's not even zipping up.
No, I can help you. Let me see you, Mickey. You ready? Put on your backpack. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Mickey. The school bus is here. Come on. It's coming. Come on. Hurry, Mickey. The bus is here. Mickey, have a good day. Smile for the picture, okay? All right. Morning. Come on, Mickey. It's okay, Mickey. Hurry up. Let's go. Jojo will come.
No.
Okay, go. Go on. Go up, Mickey. Go up. Morning. Bye, Mickey. Oh my goodness, that was so close. We almost missed the bus. Chum Chum, say good morning. We almost missed the bus. Uh-oh, no.